10 ingredients from your kitchen for a flawless skin. Kitchen found ingredients. Here is a list of suggested home remedies for further problems. 1. Aloe vera, the coolant. Every teenager has to go through the struggle period with the undefeatable acne. However, since you already might know, artificial, factory-made product cannot help you. But you can always put your trust on the extremely cool aloe vera. The insides of the plant that almost look like a natural jelly can be used as a face pack or an ingredient in a face pack and be applied on your face for a while. As soon as it's applied, you will feel a cold gush under your skin. This seeps into your skin and cools it from the inside, thus stopping your body from overheating and reducing the pimples. 2. Honey for metabolism. Honey is a multi-purpose food item. It can be used, instead of sugar, in various dishes to reduce diabetes. You can also use it to cleanse your body from the inside by drinking a cup of warm water, mixed with a teaspoon of honey, daily. On your face, you can apply honey every night before you step to bed evenly and let it be for a while before you wipe it clean, for a softer and fluffier skin. 3. Green tea for glow. Green tea can act as a major ingredient in all your face packs, to ensure a brighter and glowing skin. Just like you use it to clean your inner system and feel relaxed, green tea face pack mixtures can help your skin relax a bit after a long day at work or study. 4. Turmeric to hide facial hair. If you find a lot of facial hair on your face, that can become a hindrance to the skin getting its full glow. If you are not interested in getting it manually removed, then you can use a trick to simply hide it. The most healthy and versatile item in all our kitchens, turmeric, applied on your face can help you with that. However, you might want to concentrate on the amount that you use on your face, as a large amount of the mixture can give your face a yellow tint. Adding it with a little bit of honey or lemon can act as a skin coolant. 5. Yogurt for soft skin. If you observe your skin growing drier by the day and if it feels rough, then the best way to undo that would be to use a bowl of yogurt with 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey or lemon. Apply the mixture on your face evenly and leave it on for some time. Upon washing, you will find a brighter, and much moisturized skin instead of the chapped one. This step helps especially during winters. 6. Potatoes to cure dark circles. No wonder, because potatoes have always been showcased under a negative light, haven't they? Couch potatoes, lazy potato and so on. But looks like potatoes are great for your skin. The root vegetable, when cut and place them on your skin, especially on the areas where you find it dark and patchy, and it will disappear right away. It works especially well on dark circles under your eyes and your underarms. As an alternative, you can even use mashed potatoes. This will help you to apply the mixture evenly on your face. 7. Almond oil for the lips. Lips might just be the most sensitive part of skin on our face. It can dry up as easily and as fast as it gets soft and pillowy. It is essential to bring out the entire color of your natural lips to look your best, and for this, you need to keep your lips moisturized. You can use drops of almond oil to keep it hydrated and moisturized. To get the most of it, use a wet towel to gently rub on your lips to gently get all of the dead skin cells out of it before you apply the oil. 8. Coconut oil for strong hair. Coconut oil is a healthier alternative to many cooking oils. When warmed up and massaged onto your scalp, it can help your hair grow stronger. And finally, you can get a smooth and glowing skin when you apply it on your skin for a while. Add a generous amount of sugar into the oil to get the best homemade scrub for your entire body. 9. Gram flour, best face pack ever. An easy remedy for all teenagers, a water and gram flour mixture can become the best face pack, which can suck out all the excess oil from your skin and leave the necessary level behind. Instead of water, use rose water to get a defined result. 10. Water for life. Finally, the best and most cost-effective item on the list, Nothing can make your skin glow as much as a glass of drinking water. You need to drink more than necessary amount of water a day to get the natural glow, without applying or peeling off anything from your skin. If you like the video, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates.